This is a video response to my own video titled Hoax, Comet Elenin Nibiru in Hawaii, which I have to say I never thought I would have to make a video response because it was done so simply that I just never dreamed someone might not get it. But it seems I was mistaken, because YouTube user symbioticexchange I guess has brought into question the phase of the moon in the video that we're looking at here. Symbioticexchange has posted, well, a couple of things on my video, the latest of which reads, "Dear Moonies, here is a link to the moon phases for September 2011." Here it is. Here's the link he wants me to use. I don't know where you're getting your info, but it was a new moon on the 24th and no moon on the 27th, and therefore that object could not have been the moon. This info is so last year. Alright, so my initial video here, Hoax, Comet Elenin Nibiru in Hawaii, was based on some users that were passing around a video from this website, Canada, France, Hawaii Telescope, from the date September 24th. And when the moon rises, they're claiming that it's Elenin or Nibiru. In fact, it isn't. I've spent the whole video explaining why that wasn't the case, and it's just the moon. But that's the general background for what's going on here. So let's take a look here at Symbioticexchange's website that they want me to look at, stardate.org/nightsky/moon. We have it here, stardate.org/nightsky/moon for September 2011. And we can see clearly on the 24th, the date of the video in question, it is still a waning crescent moon. It is not a new moon until this date on the 27th, according to the link that Symbioticexchange wanted me to look at. Let's look at some other websites. moonconnection.com, seeing the same thing, a waning crescent here on September 24th, 2011. Here's an additional one from lunaf.com, and on the 24th, 2011, a waning crescent moon. So let's look at some other ones. Universe Today. If we scroll down to September, the new moon was September 27th. One more website, the Farmer's Almanac. Pretty good source, I'd say. Here we are, September 2011, moon phases on the 24th. It clearly shows a waning crescent. Now granted, it's not a very large-looking moon when we look up in the sky, but we have to remember, if we go back to what kind of camera we're using here at the Canada, France, Hawaii Telescope, because of its sensitivity, even very faint things in the sky can appear very bright. The moon looks a lot like the sun, and the planets appear brighter than we are used to seeing them. So I have to ask Symbioticexchange, did you even look at the link that you sent? Because, I mean, here it is. This is the link you wanted me to look at. September 24th, 2011, waning crescent moon. So I don't know what kind of disinfo you're trying to put out there. But if you have any proof of there being no moon, that being the same as a new moon on September 24th, 2011, if you have any credible information about that, feel free to post it, because this wasn't it. The stardate.org agrees with what I'm saying. And again, I've posted all of the necessary links in the description. And I don't know, Symbioticexchange, I guess, try and do a little research, before you jump out there and say stuff that just, gosh darn it, isn't true.